Guys, here we have a deck review of the White Lions. Yeah, so the box has white lions in the front. It has this MMXI, whatever numerical number that is, but it's like it's on a golden ink or print with a line there and playing cards. It's Series A blue, made in the USA. The bottom it has David Blaine's initial thing, and if it would focus, some stuff manufactured. And other side has Mark D. I don't even want to pronounce that, but it has a spade. And on the other side it has the spades. The back has the design, and it's not open yet. It has the USPCC's black seal, and top it probably says White Lions, but you can't see it because it's being blocked. Anyways, let's get into this deck. It's gonna take a while. Got plastic, and let's open the shield of truth. This might take a while. Okay, now open the deck, take it out. It has a card throwing card, and here's the back design. This is just David Blaine's logos all over. And it's a really nice stock, and yeah, it just shows hands with stuff, and put the deck box here again. On the flap it says playing cards. Yan. And it has jokers, two identical jokers. Yeah, it just has a lion with an umbrella in a rainy day. You know, chillaxing. Okay, now for the deck, we also have some double back cards, and on the Ace of Spades there is this lion on the pip, and it says White Lions, and it looks really nice with the black ink as its mane and stuff. And yeah, for the rest of the pips, just normal USPCC style, no other custom cards other than the royalty. As you can see, it's like a different face to normal decks, and jacks and kings. There's David Blaine's face on the King of Spades, and the rest is just standard. So fans, does the fan perfectly. Really nice, really freaking nice. I'm bored. And on the back, and for giant fans, just get a pharaoh. Doesn't do a pharaoh real well for my case, and does a giant fan real nice. Yeah, so does spread perfectly. Back spread. Yeah, so everything is pretty cool. So White Lions deck, apparently it's really hard to find. One of David Blaine's most used decks, mainly because it's its own, but yeah. So recommendation, this is so recommended because it has a nice finish and stock, but it's kind of hard to find. So if you do find one, you better get it. So that's it, and